Welcome everybody. Let's get right to it and discuss the market for today. So for today we got TRX or TRX looking really interesting. We already did the update for it early on. Before we go further, guys, remember our content always for educational purposes only, and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So first of all, let us start our hunt with the TIRX, one of the top gainer for today. It could be good to watch because it did a huge jump in the pre-market. As you can see here, we have the 10 cent and we got silver doing all right, jumping in the pre-market. Yeah, doing all right now, reversing from a huge dip. The market is still reacting from the tariff. We got a bit of weakness for the swing trade stocks. Dominus Pizza, we got good revenue. Earnings were today in pre-market, jumping almost 7%. Welcome everybody. Welcome wherever you are. Hit the like button on the way in. Yes, the market is doing all right today. BTM and BY hitting the scan. I think those one had the reverse split. Good morning, everybody. As we said, if you just came, we got GETY and TRX. TRX already hit our profit taken early on that we discussed here. As you can see, we did a really good update for TRX. We said the resistance and profit taking just below the 10 cent, and then we have the 12. We hit the 12 right now and pull back from there. SSTK have good news. Let's check this one. Yeah, good news, but I don't like the volume, man. It is still light. So too risky, man. Intel might be good to watch, guys, for another dip today around the 42. Doing great, Sandra. Yeah, the TRX is still the top mover for today with GETY. And the best entry was just over the support here, or once we had the breakout around the 97. We did a really good move here in the pre-market. We jumped just 1 hour ago, 45%. Huge jump. Yeah, we have a bit of light market in the pre-market. SNDK is the only one in green since last week. Yes, it's hitting major resistance around the 665. Richie, just remember, not trading is considering as trading, brother. Today I'm watching silver because of tariff. A lot of investors going on the safe haven like gold and silver because, as you can see, the market is a bit weak. Started to be a lot weak from last week. So I'm watching at least the unicorn, which is TRX and GETY and silver because today is 2%, it was 3%. Have a little pullback in the pre-market and now it's reversing. We have the $90 as a target today. If we have a huge green day for silver, we might have, yeah, another 4%. If only it hold over right now the 85. As we said, the TRX was on our watch list for today, guys. It was really good to trade. Best entry was below the 98. Now we hitting the 12. That's why we're pulling back. This watch list, guys, we always do it before the market open. If you want to join us before the market open for a best entry, the link in comment section below. For Discord and Patreon. For now, we got silver. A lot of traders trading silver because of tariff. Yes, news of tariff coming up. A lot of trade war going on again. But we still don't have a confirmation for the tariff. Once we have the confirmation, we're gonna have a huge drop for the market. But now the SPY is still strong, guys. I think we hit yeah, almost all-time high last week. This is no. All-time high almost around the 690, almost 700, and right now it's 600 something, yes. So yeah, we're still near the all-time high. For this buy, we're down just 2% or less. Yeah, nothing much. Just 1.55% drop. So the market is still bullish. We don't have any major drop. It's good to watch for the SPY, guys, even though you don't trade it, in order to see where the trend is going. And you never feel paranoid about the direction of the markets, because if you just watch one stock and drop like 20%, you get like really paranoid. Good afternoon, John. Hello, we got another one. Yeah, 52%, but a huge drop for it. We have another buyer over the 133 for this one. And I think we got a big seller around the 172. Yeah, this one is a bit risky play. High risk, high reward, of course. I think got a major no dropped right now. If the approval, yeah, this one could be really big, but I prefer TRX for today. TRX, we have accumulation sideways. B, yes, is looking good if it held over the 138, but it will be better if it dropped more today. We got this one, top loser for today because of yeah, but misses the endpoint threshold for the drug. Drug fails. in the late stage. Holy baloney. Wow, this is crazy. From $2 until 35 cents. You see how risky pharmaceutical stocks, man? They're pretty dangerous. 70% in few minutes. Was more than 70%. I think it was 86%. And already reversed 140. But look, really interesting because it reversed a lot. Might be good for another continuation. Okay, Allure is breaking. Yes, sir. Interesting. Thank you for the reminder. Yes, breaking is going toward the $2. If it held over the 160, would be good. Yeah, it looked good. And this one, I think we got the seller just entered around the 1150. Silver trying. Let's see if we're gonna go back down again. B is going on the green side. John, Coinbase going down today. We got still major buying pressure over the 158 and 147. Current seller right now for Coinbase is around the 180, and the major seller is the 192.66. Still looking strong because it's kind of consolidating here over the 158. As long as we consolidate here, would be good for another jump. Yeah, we don't have a major direction yet for the market. It's not too much down and not too much up. Allura already have a nice reversal, so it could be now time for a little pullback. So I will watch for the 160 because if we pull back below it, is mean is a bit not ready yet. But if we hold here during the market open, is mean time for another jump. So yeah, the 160 should be a support. TRX is the strongest here because still holding the 10 cent and breaking the 11 will be the yeah, the testing point for a squeeze. I think I'm gonna add another support for TRX just over the 1070. Guys, don't forget to hit the like and share our live streaming. Sharing is caring. We always go live every day to discuss the market. And of course, the market is about to open right now. So let us have a green day for today. B, APLD, Intel going up strongly here. KGETY, nothing much. See, DO is kind of jumping up. TRX is pulling back. Yeah, TRX is still testing. Maybe it's gonna go toward this support, the 10 cent. If we held, would be great. Yeah, I think we got a big buyer for silver right now. Allure is still holding the support. TRX not good now, is kind of pulling back a lot from the supports. So Allure is the number one because it's held 162. Yeah, the silver's still there around the $2 for a lure. The good thing we have a big buyer just around the market open over the 160. TRX is started to have a little bit of reversal. We got a bit of support here over the 10 cent. Domino's Pizza have earnings, but is a bit light on volume. Coinbase still pulling back. Could be good for a dip, guys. Coinbase. Palantir the same. Silver still jumping. Yeah, B jumping. TRX is pulling back. Not good here, guys. TRX is pulling. Silver is going toward the 87. Allure just broke the support. So I'm watching for the second support now. $1.32 to hold. Interesting. Palantir and Google with Coinbase are the top loser for today. I think we got some news. You see, we don't have any direction, guys, for the crypto, for the blue chip companies. As you can see here, B is, yeah, 2% up, but kind of didn't break the 152. APLD is still kind of neutral with light volume below the 29. Intel the same. Coinbase is big down. Palantir is a big time down. Could be good for another 5% drop, would be great. Silver is unusually strong for today. TRX is flashing. Yeah, not flashing yet. It's getting near a major support over the 8 cent. You see, TRX is not flashing yet. Never say the word flushing, guys, unless the stock is actually flushing or breaking a major support. For TRX, as we said, is not flushing because of not breaking the major support that we discussed earlier. So flushing, always say it once we break the second or the last bottom for any stock. Yeah, be looking good now. Silver is pulling back. Might be good as well for silver. Okay, we broke this support. Yeah, I'm watching it, brother. I'm watching it be breakout. I agree. Yeah, it's going toward the 160 now. Yeah, be looking strong now. VNDA did really great today. Kind of hitting our profit taken here around the $9. So yeah, VNDA, I might put it on the main list. This one, nope. GETY is dead. Ezera is dead. Wow, Coinbase did yeah, unusual reversal here. P is pulling back toward the 151.83. The major support for today is the 148.73. Okay, let's see if we hold for B right now. What's going on with GameStop and AMC? I think GameStop is pulling back. Yes, toward the support. AMC is getting near the $1. KB broke the support. ABLD pulling back. So it seems to me like all the market maker and investors going towards silver, particularly because after the tariff from Donald Trump lately, everybody feels scared and not confident enough to buy blue chip company or invest in high volatile stocks. So we have to discuss silver price action because we reversed almost 15 or 10% a few days, and now we have another jump, almost 3% before the market open and during the market open. So where the price will go of silver for this year, we might have a new record price target for this year if we still have indecision and uh, a bit of not conforming. Are we gonna have tariff or not about the war going on? So all this information and all those things could add the confirmation that the price of silver will go up. So before we go further, guys, and discuss silver price action for this year, remember our content is always for educational purposes only. So first of all, let me just show you what's going on with silver, guys. First of all, we got a new record price target for silver around the 122, and you know what's happened? We have a big panic selling and short seller came in for silver was predictable because it was overextended. And now we have the breakout here. It happened on the 20th of February or last Friday. We have the breakout from this trend, a bearish trend. As you can see here, we have three buyers, one, two, and the third happened here. And now we have a really good reversal of 3%, and the prices still continue to go higher. However, once the market opened, we have a new test, and now we have a new seller just came on the $88. And now we have a really interesting support to hold for silver over the 86. For my opinion, would be a really good opportunity for a reversal right now for silver. So I'm watching for re-entry around those level for a reversal for silver, and it might be a good to watch right now for reversal if we held over the 86 for now. And the current resistance where the short seller added the position was around the 87 for today. So if we broke the 87, over the 87 is me, we're gonna have the price target at least for this week or maybe even today around the 90 and maybe 92 and the 95 if we have a really good week here. So the psychological level is just below the $1 for silver. And now, as we said before, today we have a big buyer today in the once the market opened for silver. It happened on the 84 and we have a huge jump really quick and still protecting this price on the 84. So this is my turning point or warning signs. If we broke the 84,500 for silver, yes, it's mean we have a pullback bearish momentum. If we held, is mean we're gonna have the 90 and beyond for silver. So watch out for a major reversal, of course, for silver price target for this year. Let me know, guys, what you think about the price for silver. Are we gonna have the 100 for this month, or at least the rest of this year, or we have kind of panic buying for silver because we don't have the decision, or we don't have the stable market, because as you know, precious metal, silver, gold, when the market is undecided, market maker just put their money in the silver and precious metal to protect their gain and protect their investment. So we're gonna do update, of course, for silver and gold and the other precious metal uh, no, from now on, because we have a huge volatility, and yes, the movement of silver is really good lately, because we could do 5-10% in few days. So this is really good to watch for silver in coming days. We're gonna discuss silver for tomorrow as well. So make sure to subscribe, and of course, join us tomorrow for our live streaming 30 minutes before the market open, to discuss silver in depth and other stocks. And before that, after on our Discord and Patreon. So join us in the link comment section below. So I'm still watching silver for today. Let's see B. Very quick. B is still pulling back. APLD the same. Allure is still nothing, man. We have a huge consolidation zone here between the 130 and the $2. If we don't break the 2.04, is mean we're gonna be bearish. If we broke it, we're gonna be bullish toward the 250. TRX the same. VNDA is testing the support. We're gonna do a major update later on Discord, guys. So don't forget to tune in to our Discord, where we're gonna discuss the market in depth. For now, we got two requested stocks, KRNX and VNDA. Let's see those stocks. Yeah, VNDA, I will do it. KRNX, KRNX. I will check it right now. Wrong ticker. I think TRNX, not K. No. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. See you all back by tomorrow, and thank you for the support and being a supporter, even by liking and subscribing. So thank you in advance, and see you all.